Take a ride in the 2010 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.